what I don't understand is why they say, oh, it's 40 degrees, but it feels like 36. If it feels like 36, then why isn't it just 36?
The reason the weather app gives a real temperature and a feels like temperature is because of the way that humans produce heat. In order to survive, your body needs to maintain a body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, or 98.6 degrees in freedom units. Go below this threshold and you get hypothermia, go below this threshold and you're almost certainly dead. So what happens when the temperature is below the lethal threshold? You would die were it not for the fact that the human body can produce its own heat. That way you get to stay warm, and on top of that there's an added benefit. If you heat up the air around you, you create a small insulating layer of air that blankets you from the cold. So what happens when we add wind chill? Here, your body still produces heat, which keeps you somewhat warm. But last time, the heat also warmed up the air around you, making an insulating layer of air. But this time, all that air you're warming up, well, guess what? It's getting carried away by the wind, and so it doesn't stick around. So even though both of these situations are both 20 degrees, this one will feel warmer because the air is making a blanket around you, whereas here, it isn't. So when we say it's 40 degrees but feels like 36, what we're really saying is the air temperature outside is 40 degrees, but the wind is such that the temperature feels as if it were 36 degrees outside with no wind.